Gwanghwamun Square. This is Gwanghwamun Square, the historical and cultural heart of Seoul. With a view of Gyeongbokgung Palace and Bukhan Mountain in the background, this open public space connects Korea's past with its present. Here you can meet the giant statues of Admiral Yi Sun-sin and King Sejong the Great. Garden of Gratitude. Located in the heart of Gwanghwamun Square, the Garden of Gratitude is a meaningful memorial space dedicated to honoring the courage, sacrifice, and service of Korean War veterans from around the world. Surrounded by beautiful landscaping and thoughtful design elements, visitors can reflect on the importance of peace, remember the contributions of the veterans, and gain a deeper understanding of Korea's journey from war to prosperity. Kyobo Bookstore. Korea's largest bookstore, located underground right next to Gwanghwamun Square. As Korea's flagship bookstore, it houses millions of titles across every genre imaginable. It features a direct underground passage from Gwanghwamun Station, making it easily accessible even on rainy days. National Museum of Korean Contemporary History. The open space in front of the cafe at the National Museum of Korean Contemporary History is one of the best spots to enjoy a spectacular view of Gyeongbokgung Palace. Gwanghwamun Jip. Gwanghwamun Jip is a well-known local restaurant, famous for its rich and flavorful kimchi stew. Seoul Museum of History. The Seoul Museum of History offers a fascinating journey through the history and development of Seoul. Gyeonghwamun Palace. Gyeonghwamun Palace is a historic royal palace from the Joseon dynasty, known for its tranquil atmosphere and beautifully restored traditional architecture. It offers visitors a unique opportunity to experience Korea's royal heritage in the heart of modern Seoul. Gyeonghwamun Palace offers a peaceful atmosphere and beautiful views that contrast with Seoul's modern skyline. Resiro, Seoul. Resiro, Seoul is a modern rooftop cafe near Gwanghwamun Palace, famous for its stunning views of Seoul's historic cityscape. It is a perfect spot to relax, enjoy coffee and desserts, and experience the unique harmony of traditional and contemporary Seoul. Gyeoksugung Stone Wall Path. Gyeoksugung Stone Wall Path is a scenic walkway that follows the historic walls of Gyeoksugung Palace. Known for its beautiful tree-lined views and tranquil atmosphere, it is one of the most beloved walking spots in Seoul. Seoul Museum of Art. The Seoul Museum of Art is a major public art museum in Seoul, showcasing contemporary and modern works by Korean and international artists. It is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in art, culture, and creativity. Gyeongdong Observatory. Gyeongdong Observatory offers a stunning panoramic view of Gyeoksugung Palace and downtown Seoul. From this elevated viewpoint, visitors can admire the palace from above without paying admission to enter the palace itself, making it one of the city's best hidden viewpoints. Perrault's Coffee House, City Hall branch. Cozy cafe near Gyeoksugung Palace, known for its excellent coffee and relaxing atmosphere. Seoul Plaza. Seoul Plaza is a major public square in the heart of Seoul, known for its events and cultural activities. It is also home to the Seoul Plaza Library, an outdoor reading space where visitors can enjoy books and relax in a unique urban setting. Cheonggae Stream. Cheonggae Stream is a scenic urban waterway in downtown Seoul, offering a peaceful place to walk, relax, and enjoy nature amid the city's modern skyline. Lowell Park. Is Korea's premier esports arena and the home of the LCK. It is a must-visit destination for gaming fans.